Premier is a premier transportation company. We have a wide variety of all sorts of stainless insulated tank trailers. We're very proud of all of our vendor relationships, specifically with Transcourt. Transcourt is a very long-term supplier of tank trailers to Premier, and they have safe equipment, they have good equipment. We're buying for reliability, extended warranties, but the main thing is fuel economy and driver comfort. We're all over the United States and Canada, and Transcourt has a very good, solid inventory of trailers all over the country if we need them, so they're very well positioned. We go and pick up a trailer and they've got what we need. They're clean, they're respectable, their image matches our image. What I love about Transcourt the most is the people. We've been working with them for 18 years. They're just always there to help us. You can pick up the phone and you can talk to somebody and you get your answers. Transcourt helped us when we were growing. They held us to their terms and conditions, but they were flexible. And that's the main thing out of a supplier, is you want the flexibility and the ability to work with them and them work with you. Safety is our number one value. When we have good quality equipment from Transcourt, it makes our job to our customer a lot easier. We're not breaking down, we're not having equipment issues, and it sets us aside from our competitors. In the transportation industry and the tank industry, Transcourt's a great partner to have. And in this business, you need partners, not suppliers, you need partners. They know stainless trailers, they know tank trailers. That's all they do, that's what they know, and that's why they're good at it.